In this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Overview, we dive deeper into the onion markets with high prices likely to remain due to load shedding and lower production levels. Pieter van Zyl also shares his insights into this matter. We also saw pepper prices increasing by 27% the past week. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Outlook, all made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota and Zimmatic irrigation systems. To make sure you get the latest information first, subscribe to AMT's YouTube channel or one of its WhatsApp groups where we usually share some extra information as well. The links are also available on AMT's Facebook page or just send me a message directly. Over the last week, the rand strengthened to 18.22 per US dollar, while the Brent crude oil price remained relatively sideways and is trading at $83 per barrel, which is slightly lower compared to last week. Vegetable prices are still well above last year's levels, which can be ascribed to low supplies to the markets in general and is influenced by load shedding and erratic weather patterns. These commodities will unfortunately have a negative effect on food price inflation and food security going forward. And of course makes it essential that we ensure a continuous and sufficient food supply to the markets. Potato prices, which is 36% higher than last year, is currently trading on 61.49 per 10 kg bag, with prices likely to remain high for the remainder of this month. The average Class 1 potato price traded on 65.99, while the average mondial price decreased to 58.67. The Class 1 large mondial price traded between 60 and 65 rand per 10 kg bag on the Nile.ag platform. Tomato prices increased by 5% to 13.35 per kilogram and is about 54% higher compared to last year at the same time, while the Class 1 tomato price decreased to 14.53. Although prices may decrease over the next week due to lower expected demand, we're still expecting prices to remain in a general upward trend at least until Easter or the start of April. The latest carrot price traded on 5.88 per kilogram and is 33% higher compared to last year at the same time. The Class 1 carrot price increased to 6.08 cents, while Nile.ag's Class 1 large price stayed on 77 rand per 10 kg bag. Onion prices saw a sharp increase over the past week, increasing by 19% to 78.28 per 10 kg bag, which is about 89% higher compared to last year. The Class 1 price increased to 83.43, while Nile.ag's Class 1 large medium brown onion price increased to 102.05 cents per 10 kg bag. As mentioned, we will dive deeper into this industry in our discussion with Pieter van Zyl later on, so make sure to stay tuned for that interesting discussion. Other vegetable prices traded as follows: cabbages on 4.81, garlic on 41.48, spinach prices increased to 9.44, while pumpkin prices increased by 10% to 2.67. Sweet potato prices increased to 8.37 per kilogram last week. The average pepper price increased by 27% to 17.74, with green pepper prices increasing to 13.50. Red pepper prices decreased slightly to 30.28, while yellow pepper prices continue to increase, trading on 27.98 per kilogram. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota and Zimmatic irrigation systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag. For a journey of a lifetime, a journey that's filled with miles of smiles, let Halfway Toyota Audrey help you find your first prize. For more information, contact their dealer principal and review them directly at 083 457 8057 and get the best price nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. In the fruit market, banana prices increased to 9.50, while the average Class 1 price increased to 10.65. The average banana price is about 15% higher compared to last year, but I think that we can soon start to see lower prices in the markets. On Nile.ag, the Class 1 large hand variety price traded on a relatively high level of R210 per 18 kg box. The latest apple price traded at R7.83, while pear prices stayed sideways on R7.25 per kilogram last week. As expected, orange prices decreased sharply to R8.28 due to 52% higher volumes on the markets. Higher volumes will continue to put downward pressure on this price over the next few months. The latest lemon price increased to R5.38 last week. Avocado prices decreased to R12.23 per kilogram, with the Class 1 avocado price decreasing to R17.07 last week, with prices likely to stabilize soon. Local production issues resulted in table grape prices to increase the past 3 weeks, with the latest price on R20.73, while the latest pineapple price increased to R9.40 per kilogram. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last, from industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology. Every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota, and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe, and thank you for watching. As promised, we're here with Pieter van Zyl from Nile.ag today, and he's going to tell us a bit more about the onion industry, why we've seen record prices and where prices might be heading. Welcome, Pieter. Always glad to have you here.
Thank you, Johnny.
Pieter, as mentioned, we've seen record onion prices, some issues regarding the brown versus the red onion prices. Tell us more about that, and I think more importantly, where are these markets headed over the next few months?
Yeah, Johnny, market prices have been at record prices, record levels since August last year. And I'm afraid that this is not the end of high prices for onions. The high prices started due to a much smaller onion harvest from Limpopo in the second half of last year in 22. And around October last year, Northern Cape and the Free State farmers started marketing onions as well. And both these regions have smaller harvests on the fields than a year ago. And obviously, the high prices caused farmers end of last year and beginning of this year to market faster than normal. And the high prices obviously spilled over into this year. And cereals farmers are also began marketing faster than normal and are currently the largest region in marketing. Producers in cereals are also marketing a smaller harvest than last year. And the volumes of onions on markets should be relatively low on markets in the coming months, which means price levels will remain relatively high until at least after the winter. And during the winter months, Limpopo normally starts marketing onions, but I don't think the farmers are currently planting more onions. They are busy almost at the end of the planting season, the guys in Limpopo. This means onion prices can remain relatively high until the end of the year, and maybe beyond that. Now, the question, why are onion prices at record levels? Fewer hectares planted due to, among other things, input costs that continue to rise strongly. Heat waves and also excessive rains, as well as load shedding, are responsible for the fact that prices on fresh produce markets will remain high for some time to come. And this does not only apply to onions alone. Potato producers should also receive relatively high market prices in the months to come. We must remember the hectares planted are now easily 20% lower. This means the overhead cost per hectare planted is now rising sharply. The total direct costs, such as fertilizers and chemicals, are also the most expensive yet. So the question arises, given the record market prices and extremely high production costs, is it still sustainable to produce onions? And the same with potatoes. Less hectares, meaning the overhead costs are higher on the one side, as well as direct costs. On the other side, the guys are realizing record prices for onions. And the same will be, Johnny, for potatoes the next months. Relatively high prices, and that's the only thing is, and I think some other like carrots, maybe there's not much potatoes, much onions, much maybe carrots coming to the market the next months. Yes, Johnny?
Yes, Pieter, I really saw, and I want to add on with what you just said. I saw really the major vegetables, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, onions, and a lot of the fruits are relatively higher compared to last year this time. And I think we can blame or put that basically to load shedding. I think the cold chain that's not being kept, and a lot of additional cost coming into the markets. So that's very interesting. Thank you very much. In terms of the record prices, and if we saw fertilizer prices coming down now, for the next season, for next year, with record onion prices, do we see maybe more farmers leaning more towards onions compared to potatoes? And we see a reversal of this, potato prices going to record prices and onions decreasing a bit. What's your feeling regarding that?
Well, I would suspect last year in Limpopo, they are the largest guys doing potatoes. The potato farmers, they got very low prices for potatoes last year, and very good prices, record prices for onions. So we would imagine that now the Limpopo guys are planting right now, almost at the end of the season, and we would imagine that they would plant more onions. But I don't think that will be the case. So they will plant more or less the same than last year. And that would mean prices or volumes will again this year after winter will be a little bit low. So and again high prices. And I think the same with potatoes all over. The guys are planting less potatoes and less onions and less other stuff because of load shedding and lots of other factors. Meaning volumes will be low. Meaning prices will be relatively high.
Yeah, and of course that'll spill over to food inflation, that can spill over into interest rates, etc., etc. And we know those commodities that we speak of it's basically considered as the staple foods of the fresh produce industry. So that will definitely have a negative effect, especially on your lower LSM or your consumers, your lower LSM consumers. Diving a bit deeper into the onion industry, Pieter, we really saw extremely high red onion volumes on the market compared to brown and white onions, and recently I think that came back to normal a bit, but what's your feeling regarding that? Why did that happen, and can we see that happening again?
Yeah, regarding red onions, it was striking to see that when Limpopo entered the market last year after winter time, they entered with relatively low volumes, not a big harvest, but there was no price premium for red onions, and simply because the guys planted they plant less hectares of onions, but a lot of red onions, meaning that the rest of the season up till I think November, December, there was actually too much red onions available, no price premiums. But since I think December, there was relatively much lower volumes of red onions coming to the market, and the first time in a couple of months, the guys are realizing again price premiums for red onions.
Thank you very much, Pieter. Very insightful, and hopefully we can tackle the potato industry in one of the next episodes, and we can dive a bit deeper into that industry as well as other industries.